Wildfire alert from Wasco County Sheriff's Office. Level 3 go now. Evacuation from Rowena East to River Road. Leave without delay. It is unsafe to stay and threatens the safety of you, your family, and emergency responders. Your life could be in great danger. Emergency services personnel may not be able to help if you choose to stay. This may be the only alert you receive. Find resources at wildfire.oregon.gov or do not call 911 unless you are experiencing an immediate life safety issue.